And welcome to Tea Ventures on YouTube. Ugh. So today we're doing an unboxing.
Yeah.
Someone bought me tea. Someone bought me tea.
So this is what came in the mail today.
What's in the box? Baby, where'd you buy me?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
All right. Go.
Ooh. This is awesome.
Okay, take your head out, but keep your eyes closed.
No. All right, what's the first?
Okay, this one's your surprise one that I added into it.
You got a surprise?
Because it came with it.
You made me a surprise? What's that? Ooh, oolong tea. Cherry marzipan oolong. Yummy. What else? What else did you get me?
Let's see.
What else did you get me? What'd you get me?
Oh, okay. That came with it, apparently.
Oh, yeah, rock sugar. Yeah. Apparently this, doesn't disrupt the actual tea of the taste.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead and move that on. Now, I'm going to hand this to you upside down.
Okay.
And you can flip it over.
It's Moxie and Millie! Oh my gosh, those are so cool! So what's this?
It says, please enjoy week of April 18th. Ah, that's a little late. It only
we can try
just
it
got
anyway.
here.
We can try it anyway. Ooh. It's daily tea. Bit late, but still cool.
Here's the big ones.
The big ones?
Do I want to do that one first? Or do I want to do...
So what's this one?
This one.
Ooh. Oh.
Okay, we gotta open them.
Cherry bomb.
We'll open them up and smell them.
Later. Look at them. Alistair. Angel. Angel dust. Charlie. Oh, a Valentino. And Nifty. Nice. Oh, that's cool.
And those are all collector tins.
That is so cool. I'm just going to pop you over here.
Keep Nifty out, and we'll move that off to the side.
Okay. Yes. What have I got in here? Oh. I am not doing all of this, am I? I am.
Oh, yes. Let's just dump everything out.
Oh, shut up. Lucifer. Vox. Zaggy. Looking very grumpy. Husk. Again, looking very grumpy. Lilith. Stolus. Yay. This is what I really wanted. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Look at all these teas.
So I thought it was very fitting that the tea bitch gets all the
tea. Oh my god, this is so cool. Thank you, baby.
So it looks like we have some special videos coming up here soon.
Yes, so many cool new TikToks.
I should iterate that she has special videos coming for you all soon. I get to enjoy it.
You, my dear, are the one who propagates this addiction of mine. Well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.